A politician is dressed up in a sexy maid outfit with his significant other. And all of a sudden, this loud sound, like what you hear in the background, is about 10 times louder. What usually, at least lately, had Spectrum next door. And yes, it is Spectrum. The two go over to the internet cable box or the internet modem or cable box, and yes, it's making an odd backup sound. Spock, the Spectrum tech guy, also installs, and he forgot what he was harassing and what he was monitoring.